Hi everyone, Milos here, SAP Solution Architect in Logistics area for Koretrust. And today I want to talk to you about SAP EWM and what does it take to make great BBP, Business Blueprint. For those of you who don't know, Business Blueprint is the key document, design document that explains the flows of the goods in the warehouse and what processes will be covered using the SAP EWM solution. So what are the three key things, three elements that must be present in a BBP? Well, the first things first, you must visit the site. You must do this physically present on site. I know stories about BBPs designed from an office remotely, showing pictures, videos of the warehouse, all sorts of things, also during COVID. Very honestly and frankly, it does not work. Logistics, it's a physical business. It's not finance, it's not other areas, it's something very physical. So someone is cheering us up, so good stuff. So first thing is you need to visit on site. The second thing to do is to understand the layout of the warehouse. So you need to just understand the different physical areas. Where's the staging area? What is the production supply area? If it's a production site, where does the production start? Where does the warehouse start? What's the receiving area? What are the different storages of goods? So what are the storage types that we have to map within the solution? So you need to understand the layout. And the third thing to understand is the flow of goods. So you need to understand not only where the goods are and which area is supposed to be used for what, but also how the goods will flow, because in logistics and warehousing, it's all about the movement of goods. So how are you going to effectively receive the goods, store them, supply them to production if needed, receive them from production if it's a production site, store them again, or potentially just directly load them and ship them out. So what's going to be the most effective flow, and how are you going to best utilize the spaces available? Hope this was useful. If you're interested to know what are the 10 elements that compose a BBP document, for example, the master data section, for example, the resources and devices section, for example, the inbound process section, if you're interested to know all those components of a BBP, let me know in the comments. If I see some interest, I will make sure I'll do a post next days about this topic. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it was useful, and see you soon. Bye.